In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a Google Drive file to an email. This process is incredibly useful for sharing documents, presentations, photos, and other files without worrying about size restrictions commonly associated with email attachments. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to your Gmail inbox. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and going to mail.google.com. Once you've logged into your account, you'll be directed straight to your inbox. Here you can see all your received emails, and it's the starting point for sending a new one. Now look towards the top left corner of your Gmail interface for the Compose button. This button is your gateway to starting a new email. Click on Compose to open up a new email window. This window will pop up in the corner of your screen, allowing you to begin creating your email by filling out the recipient's email address, subject line, and of course the content of your email. To attach a file from Google Drive, locate the Google Drive logo at the bottom of the Compose window. It resembles a colourful triangle and is usually positioned next to other icons like the paperclip attachment icon. Clicking on this logo will open a new window that allows you to access your Google Drive files directly from Gmail. Once the Google Drive window opens, you'll be able to see all the files and folders you've stored there. Browse through your files and select the one you wish to attach by simply clicking on it. If you have a vast array of files, you can use the search bar at the top of the window to quickly find the specific file you're looking for. After selecting your file, you'll notice a couple of options appear at the bottom of the window. You'll want to choose the option that says Add as Link. By selecting this, you'll be inserting a link to the Google Drive file into your email rather than attaching the file directly. This ensures that your file remains accessible to recipients even if it exceeds usual attachment limits. And that's it. Your Google Drive file is now linked within your email, ready to be sent just like any other message. Before you hit the send button, make sure that the recipients have the correct permissions to view or edit the file. You can adjust these settings easily within Google Drive. Remember, sharing files via Google Drive can not only make your emails lighter, but also ensure recipients always have access to the latest version of your documents. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.